estate to real estate. It's Money Matters with Dino.
What's the definition by law of an alcohol-related DUI?
Well, there's two counts when someone gets a DUI generally. First count is driving while under the influence of alcohol, drugs, or the combined effect of both. And then there's the B count. And the B count is the per se limit. That's 0.08% BAC. So once you're at a 0.08, boom, you're done. You're DUI. Now, the A count generally occurs when, well, they always allege both if someone's at or above a 0.08. If someone's below a 0.08, let's say it's a 0.07 DUI, they'll only allege the A count because they weren't above a 0.08. However, what the prosecutor will do is show through the arresting officer's testimony what the driving pattern was, and what the person's demeanor was to illustrate that the person was under the influence of alcohol. So that's how you can get a DUI even if you're below a 0.08.
And so demeanor is actually a big issue when you're being pulled over. If you're
Absolutely.
Really okay, and that does it. So
it could be as trivial as fumbling with your wallet while you're trying to pull out your ID. Fumbling through your glove box while you're trying to find your proof of insurance. Everything you do when you're under investigation by a law enforcement officer is noted and it's used against you.
Okay, but how do you defend against that? I mean, really, you weren't there. This person was intoxicated. Your client was intoxicated.
Allegedly.
Allegedly, right? Thank you. The police officer is saying they had the demeanor of an intoxicated person.
Well, here's the thing. People think that a DUI is extremely clear-cut. Now, the methods used to test for what someone's blood alcohol concentration are very susceptible to inaccuracy. For breathalyzers, there's radio frequency interference that can skew the results. There's a whole host of things. Mouth alcohol, if you burp into your mouth, what happens is you have a high concentration of alcohol. So when you go to blow into the breathalyzer, it's going to give you a very high false reading. So what my job is to flesh out the police report, really see what's going on, request calibration records for the breathalyzer. If there was a blood sample, request a split on the blood sample so that we can perform our own analysis and really make sure that the police did it by the book. Whether there was probable cause for the stop or whether the officer fabricated that, you can often tell what the deal was through the dash cam or the digital audio recorder that officers always wear. So there's multiple ways that you can attack a DUI.